Welcome to the new channel.
Our passion transforms a community that sees and shares all things new.
The new channel. Hashtag TNC Now.
The views, opinions, and insights expressed in the following shows are those of the host, producers, guests, and viewers. They do not necessarily reflect the position of the channel. Viewer discretion is advised.
I'm Erwin.
And this is Carlo, and we are streaming from Mandaluyong City. And guys, welcome Season 4, Episode 53 of Shots Fired!
Bro!
Yan!
Mabilis na.
Woo! Ang galing!
Ano?
Galing natin magpalit ng shirt.
Oo.
Mas na bro?
Salamat dito sa jacket. Kilala mo
Pag nakita ko yung Miami Heat, guys, siya na lang naalala ko. Hindi na nga si Dwayne Wade eh. Ikaw na ang naaalala ko pag nakita ko ng Miami Heat, no? Konting kebab na lang. Malapit ang basketball season. Pero hindi basketball.
Uy! Ano?
Anong pag-usapan natin?
Wrestling! Ulit.
Woo! Alam mo, kumbaga, next favorite natin talaga ang wrestling, no? Maging AEW yan. Congratulations, Bryan Danielson.
Yeah.
Siya na yung champion sa AEW. Pero hindi natin pag-uusapan ng AEW siya.
Talaga? Bakit naman?
Ano gusto mong pag-uusapan?
Bakit naman? Pero kinatataran na siya, di ba? His contract is up.
His contract is up, correct. But feeling ko, ang ginagawa ng AEW ngayon, binibuild up siya. So siya na po ang bida sa mga hindi sumusunod sa AEW. Daniel Bryan or Bryan Danielson, as his legal name is the new champion. Wala pa siyang kalaban doon, bro. Nagkakagulo din.
Parang doon sa kabila.
Parang SmackDown. Mamaya, pag-uusapan natin yan. No?
Okay.
Pero kidding aside, my friend, no? After WrestleMania, nag-SummerSlam na, Bash in Berlin, ang lupit, Bad Blood, we are on our way to Survivor Series, bro. Maliban sa Bloodline, obviously, limang taon na natin pinag-uusapan yung Bloodline. Maliban sa kanila, anong storyline ng WWE ang sinusubaybayan mo?
Medyo nagiging init-init ang pagiging, paghiwalay ng Judgment Day. Like, is it really Dominic Mysterio who is the leader of the new Judgment Day?
Best heel in town. Fair? Best heel in town.
But in fairness kay Dominic, I've been hearing fans that napakabait tong tao to.
Sa totoong buhay.
Sa totoong buhay. Karakter lang talaga niya yung pagiging best heel. Pero mabait ang taong to.
He has a lot of heel hit, no? Good for him. So, Judgment Day versus whom? Sinong kalaban nila?
Siyempre, the Terror Twins. Pero hindi na pa natin alam, hindi natin ma-figure out kung sinong magiging kasama ni Priest and Rhea Ripley. Kasi nakikita natin si Heat.
Hindi ba nakikita sila ngayon?
Pero kulang pa. Kung tatlo pala sila, 'di ba? Lima yung Survivor Series, 'di ba? Per team.
Kung sakali sa so you're looking at it mixed tag team kind of thing sa Survivor Series. Oo nga naman. Magandang kwentuhan yan. So palagay mo papahabain pa ba nila yan? Maglalaban pa ba si Priest at saka si
Dominic? Or
pwede. Naisip yun, pwede.
Well, I think yung the rivalry between Rhea Ripley and Liv Morgan, yung tatagal yan hanggang Tatagal yun hanggang WrestleMania.
They are the two best female wrestlers around. Maybe next to Tiffany Stratton on SmackDown. These guys are amazing.
So parang kay Dominic versus Priest, yun, siguro magbe-build up din yung storyline na yun.
Pwede.
You know, siguro, we'll give it until WrestleMania for those two teams.
That makes sense. Ako naman bro, maliban sa Bloodline, no, una, exciting nung bumalik si Roman Reigns, no? Pero yun na nga, maliban doon, dalang-dala ako sa CM Punk versus Drew McIntyre. Personal, bro.
Personalan
na. Di mo na nabablur na yung lines ng reality tsaka totoo na kaya to. Alam mo yun, naguguluhan ka na, nasiraan na ng ulo si Drew McIntyre, bro. Baliw.
Personal, pa nakikita natin na may chismis na
magkasama sila kumain. Ayaw mo. Magkasama sila kumain, no? But grabe, no? This is the first real angle that CM Punk brought to the WWE, you know. So when he left AEW back to WWE, his first I guess match was the Royal Rumble, and he had the bicep there. Yun nga, medyo nag-derail ng konti. Ngayon nakabalik na yung mga laban nila, intense, bro. Duguan. Iba na yung Triple H era, bro. Sobrang iba na yung Triple H era. We're not in the PG era anymore.
Right.
We are in the what can we call it? Golden Age.
Maybe.
The Paul Levesque era.
The Triple H.
Let's call it the Triple H era. Like for our show, kung agree kayo doon, again, mag-comment kayo sa mga wrestling fans natin. Sobrang astig talaga ng wrestling ngayon, no? Pero okay, those are the two best storylines that we have. Meron din yung Wyatt 6, kalaban nila yung American Made. Okay din. Pero medyo sa isang kwento na naguguluhan na ako at feeling ko pati yung mga ka-shots fired naguguluhan na ako. Si Cody Rhodes, pare.
Uy.
Hindi ko na gets. Sino after the Bloodline? Sino kalaban nito?
After naging stale yung storyline niya kung sino sila, like Kevin Owens.
Okay naman, pero bakit, 'di ba?
Oo, parang I don't know. Maybe a push between Cena and Rhodes towards WrestleMania, maybe.
Okay.
But pero
tas medyo paalam match na ni Cena, parang
ganun. Nakikita ko. Pero nakikita ko, guys, medyo
tagal pa yun, 6 na buwan pa yun, bro.
Pero nakikita ko, entertainment na wrestling, di ba? So bakit hindi na lang si R-Truth may pagka-comedic tapos si Cody Rhodes ang kalaban, di ba?
Medyo benta sa akin yung idea na yun.
Little Jimmy, di ba? Little Jimmy, where are you? Di ba?
Kasama, medyo nagustuhan ko yung plano yun. Medyo nagustuhan yung plano yun. Ako naman, tama ka. After the Bloodline, we invested so much emotion, so much attention sa Bloodline. Parang nawala ng konti ng kwento si Cody, no? Hindi na ako sigurado kung it's time for us to bring Randy Orton to the mix. Feeling ko early. Para ngayon, no? So, Mr. Paul Levesque, sana gawan mo naman ng konting solusyon tong storyline na to na walang mayari. Pero medyo benta sa akin yung R-Truth na storyline.
Mr. Paul.
You
can contact us. We can give you inputs. Diba?
Creative ideas.
Diba?
Creative ideas. Yung gusto ko eh. Maganda. Pero from a stale story, from the hottest superstar, we could say he is fire right now. Bro, everybody watching at home, say his name and he appears. We believe in Joe Hendry. Hindi tayo nagpatay, pero kailangan. Pero dude,
say his name and he appears.
Oh, there you go. Oh my God. Yes.
Joe Hendry.
Sabi na nga ba, may hubarang mangyayari ngayong araw na to eh. Nice. Kaya pala kapal yung jacket mo eh. Galing ah.
Siyempre.
So, obviously, nahawa ka na sa Joe Hendry fever.
Siyempre.
Diba?
Joe Hendry.
Raise your hand to side. Pati songs niya, alam natin, no? Pero dude, why is this dude on fire? What about Joe Hendry?
Unang-una, itsura parang artistahin eh.
Poging. So, mas lalaki, mapababae, mahal siya.
Oo. Talagang attractive siya eh. Kahit anong panggawin mo eh.
Ganito yung mga look na gusto ni Vince McMahon talaga na binebenta niya. 6'1", 6'2", malaki katawan, poging.
Number 2, they like the crossover storyline between TNA and WWE.
One of the best decisions Triple H, Mr. Levesque has done.
Oo.
Solid
So
talaga.
parang ano yung legacy ni ano yan, ni Triple H.
Triple H, matagal pa yan, bata
Yeah.
pa yan. And me, dude, I mean, this dude has everything. And interesting enough, 10 years ago, he was with the WWE doing crap work, backstage or extra siya, no? But ang magaling dito, kay Rusev, extra siya kay Rusev, kumakanta, medyo may halong tura. Kumbaga, this dude is the perfect entertainment value plus athletic value. So this dude has the same thing. So talagang madadala ka kay Joe Henry, no? That being said, my friend, napag-usapan natin yung mga storyline ngayon. How will you book Joe Henry from today, sabihin natin, until WrestleMania?
Okay.
Paano natin? Bigyan mo ako ng magandang kwento.
Sige.
Si Joe Henry ang bida natin.
Ay, nako, pinaisip mo. Ano na?
Sige.
Okay. Siguro he'll be still appearance on NXT.
Okay.
Pero nakikita ko kasi maganda siyang umappear. Not in Survivor Series but in Royal Rumble.
Okay.
Okay. Maybe number one wrestler in
He's the first entrant.
First entrance.
Okay.
Kasama si number 2 Elias para kakanta na lang sila muna, no?
Pwede, magkakantahan muna sila. Pwede. Nakita ko
Pero
yan.
is Elias still in the roster?
He's not officially in the roster, but hey again, pag dating ng Royal Rumble, minsan kumukuha sila ng mga cameo lang para sumulpot. Tapos, okay.
Okay.
Tuloy mo yung kwento mo.
Sige.
Nadadala na ako sa nagugustuhan ko na yung kwento mo.
Tapos, siyempre, tatalo siya doon. But he will be thrown out. Siguro on the last few wrestlers in the ring.
So matagal. He'll stay there a while.
Still there well. Kasi, tapos, there will be, i-invitate siya sa, what do you call this, yung the February thing,
Okay.
Elimination Chamber.
Okay.
Doon siya mananalo.
He will win the chamber. Wow. Okay.
He will win the chamber.
Wow.
That's a big...
Wow, that's
a big,
huge, bro.
That's a big leap, di ba?
That's huge.
That is, if the business is hot, continue the fire, di ba?
Okay.
So, mainit siya ngayon, patuloy mo pa rin siya pataasin, di ba?
Okay.
He will, since we mentioned Cody, yun ang kakalabanin niya.
Wow.
Still si Cody, di ba? Still si Cody.
So you're gonna go WrestleMania 41, Cody Rhodes versus Joe Henry.
Diba?
Mga fans, anong opinion dyan?
Oo.
Please, comment kayo kung may katotoran tong pinagsasabi ng
Syempre,
tropa natin. Meron, malaking katotoran.
syempre.
But I'm gonna book him a little
Sige,
different.
ikaw,
I'm gonna book him a little different kasi hanggat humihinga si Roman Reigns, siya ang bida ng WrestleMania.
Sure.
Hanggat humihinga
Sure.
si Cody, siya ang bida. Hanggat buhay si The Rock, siya ang bida. So medyo malabo na siya yung magiging main event. The way I see it, Joe Henry will win the NXT Championship muna.
Okay.
He'll win the NXT Championship in one of the NXT shows. Maybe not in a PLE. Feeling ko medyo OA yun. He's gonna steal the belt, dadalhin niya pabalik-balik sa TNA at back. Balik-balik, magkakairitahan. So, i-build up natin. Iniisip ko kasi, pagdating ng Survivor Series, maglalaban ng NXT versus TNA.
Oy.
NXT is led by Ethan Page, the current champion. Joe Henry will lead the TNA group. Kasama niya yung mga ex-WWE superstars.
Oh, sino yun?
Pwedeng si Matt and Jeff Hardy.
Oh, yun.
Delete. Gaganon
Okay.
silang lahat. Or
Okay.
pwede rin nilang isama Nick Nemeth o aka Dolph Ziggler.
Ah.
So yun yung naisip ko sa War Games. Joe Henry led TNA, Ethan Page. So okay, away-away sila. I think NXT should win. Ibang usapan na yun. Isang usapan na yun. Eventually, agree na ako, tsaka palang mananalo si Joe Henry. Eventually yung title. Eventually, I agree. Pasok din ako dun sa idea na Joe Henry enters the Royal Rumble. I think Joe Henry will end up around top 4. He will lose eventually.
Yeah.
Right now, ayoko munang sabihin kung sino mananalo ng Royal Rumble. Feeling ko masyadong maaga pa. Pero feeling ko nagsisimula sa Roman Reigns yung pangalan.
Okay.
Nung mananalo ng Royal
Okay,
Rumble, feeling ko
okay.
RR yan, RR yung mananalo.
Rhea Ripley yan eh.
Hindi si Rhea Ripley. Sa babae, baka si Rhea Ripley. Pero feeling ko si Roman Reigns uli yung mananalo, di ba?
Okay.
Di ba?
Secret lang yan.
Secret lang.
Okay.
Pwede rin siyang manalo, eventually siguro sa fast lane or whatever, elimination chamber, sure. But eventually, I think, dapat megastar versus megastar ang labanan. Ang susunod na magiging kalaban niya, LA Knight.
Oof.
Yeah!
Yeah.
Yeah!
Okay.
Pupunta sila, I think they could potentially be the undercard of day 1 of the Royal Rumble. If I'm not mistaken, the Royal Rumble, I think, is in Hollywood this year. So magandang kalaban niya yung mga artistahin type.
Oy, okay.
So Joe Henry versus LA Knight.
Pagwapuan na ba yan?
Pagwapuhan to mga kaibigan. At eventually, mananalo si Joe Henry.
Okay.
LA Knight loses.
Ah.
His US Championship there. So ganun ko. Guys,
Good
guys, astig, di ba?
Oo.
Ang ganda ng kwento ko.
Pwede.
Mas maganda yung kwento ko, di ba?
Pwede.
Galing.
Ah.
Sa sobrang daming talent ngayon, bro, maraming pwede kang maging kwento.
Oo.
Di ba? And you could build with.
Speaking of kwento and wrestlers and how about the championship, pare? Parang, di ba, through the years, there are a lot of championship. 24/7 na parang nawala, di ba?
Sayang yung 24. Feeling ko kaya kong manalo ng 24/7 championship eh.
Pero in the history of WWE,
Okay.
no, what do you think na yung tinanggal ng WWE na belt, gusto mo ibalik?
Astig na tanong yan, bro, no? Para sa akin, no, top of my mind, para sa akin dapat kailangan ibalik yung hardcore title.
Uy.
Astig yun eh.
Da-
hindi,
da-
hindi siya ganun ka-importante. Pero astig lang, no? Maraming pwedeng maging hardcore championship. Inisip ko, Pete Dunne,
Okay.
si formerly Butch, wag mo sabihin na magagalit yun pag Butch ang tinawag mo sa kanya. Magagalit yun, wag ganun. Pete Dunne, I think,
Okay.
is great. Karrion Kross, wala naman siyang ginagawa masyado ngayon. I think he would be an excellent hardcore championship and they could do that.
Pwede.
To me, the hardcore championship.
Pwede.
Ikaw, sa'yo.
Kasi dami rin lumalabas na videos mga amateur wrestling na po, sobrang
Pukpo ka na, no?
Para second
sa'yo.
floor nahuhulog.
At Bintes. At Bintes. Pero
Hindi.
what title do you want back?
Sa akin kasi parang nawala talaga na medyo may sense is the European Championship. Like us,
Good.
right now, ang dami European wrestlers ngayon eh. Right? We have
And we just did Bash in Berlin. Yung mga heel sa Amerika, bayani doon.
bayani doon, 'di ba? Yung LA Knight yan doon, hindi mo ba eh.
Nilangaw si LA Knight sa Berlin, no? Funny.
And speaking of that, parang I see one person who can lead that.
Okay.
Kasi nakikita na ko sa person na to, naging champion na siya.
Okay.
COVID lang kasi walang, so walang spectator doon nanalo siya, kawawa naman, 'di ba? And then he grabbed another title. No?
Okay.
Pero mga isang minuto lang na nawala na sa kanya.
Oh.
So I'm referring to Drew McIntyre.
Wow.
He's a Brit. He's a
Correct.
British guy. So I think since European nga yung taga-Europe siya, and he deserves it, 'di ba?
Stig yan European siya. Half European ako. Pwede ba akong maging European champion?
Pero yung
Pang cruiserweight lang tayo.
pero the thing is kasi there was a time na si Shawn Michaels nanalo ng European title.
Walang masyadong
Diba?
European na panahon na
Kaya
yun, no?
siguro
Bro, solid yung mga ideas ito. Kaya yung mga ka-shots fired natin, again, follow us on our Facebook page, YouTube, IG, TikTok. Marami pang mga ideas. Send all your comments, feedback. Again, mag-comment kayo. Mga ka-shot fired, maraming salamat uli. Erwin, Carlo, see you guys next week. Woohoo!